What's the meaning of committed? Committed. Committed.
Committed. Committed. Committed is an adjective used to describe someone who is dedicated and loyal to a particular cause or person. Being committed involves displaying perseverance, determination, and a strong sense of responsibility towards the task at hand. A committed individual will often go above and beyond to accomplish their goals and fulfill their obligations. This level of dedication can lead to a positive outcome, such as achieving success in personal or professional endeavors, earning the trust and respect of others, and making a meaningful impact in the world.